One note. 5 million square feet of manufacturing. The tape I see on the floor. Clean table. On the machine behind me today, we have adopted Autodesk software, and we programmed this amazing bald eagle. We are now cutting metal on this machine. This is a work of art. This is not just a big, heavy block of aluminum. You've seen me make all kinds of parts for different industries. But today we are doing this just because we're here to show you these machines. They can do anything. They are amazing. Machines. Relationship with CAD/CAM. Anything you can think of or dream of. We can do it. Titan America is an American job shop. I started this company in 2005 to serve American industry. From deep sea industry to aerospace, and everything in between. Let me explain what a job shop is. There are a lot of companies that make specific parts for their industry or product. A job shop has to be able to do anything. Engineers come to us with a product they've designed, and we make it a reality. We use CNC machines to mill plastic, aluminum, steel, titanium, stainless steel, carbon fiber, any material you can think of. We can machine it. These machines are awesome. They're my workhorses. They get the job done. This is where we put the raw material. Put it in the machine. Using the CAD/CAM system. Like the Autodesk Inventor HSM I use. We use it to program the machines. We use the cutting tools to cut the metal. Then we produce a finished component after additional processing. Then it goes to the customer. These CNC machines are actually built in Oxnard, California, right next to Highway 5. When I started my company in 2005, I was invited to Haas Automation. I went to the facility. I didn't know what to expect. The doors opened, and I saw 5 million square feet of manufacturing. Taped floors, clean tables, set up inspection equipment flow, uniforms, American flag pride, innovation. I saw it all happening in real time. At Haas Automation, it really opened my eyes. For me, a person in jail. A person who had to overcome obstacles to start his own shop with nothing. This is the education I needed. I left Austin and came here. I went straight to the shop. I taped my floor. I organized my desk. I organized my processes. A lot of people are watching me, wow. I'm just a regular small American factory. We're not the biggest, but we're really good at what we do. We build some amazing products. On the other hand, I look at companies like Haas Automation. I get inspired by those companies. Haas Automation. Keep pushing the boundaries. America has always pushed the boundaries. The American national bird, the bald eagle, was chosen for a specific reason. Because of its longevity, its strength, its majesty. It represents hope and prosperity. For a better future, for tomorrow. It represents everything great about this country. This is American made. We're just getting started. Boom.